Welcome back to the Views Garage. Just standing right next to the Datsun. I just wanted to talk about my garage. It's kind of small, but can do a lot of things in there. Just take a tour real quick. So that's my tiny garage, and let's take a look inside. Where big dreams happen. That's where that happened. So let's see. It's kind of messy right now. Been working on the truck, but it's kind of crowded. It's cramped, but as I work in certain areas like this, I just kind of move things around, get it out of the way. Turn on the light. So just have some stuff mounted on the top, trying to get out of the way. Stuff I don't normally use, but it's there if needed. And then the stuff I normally use, you can tell it's right here on the table. I haven't been in the garage for a while. It's been kind of cold. Don't really have anything in here to keep me warm. As you can tell, it's not really like insulated, but I use this. Normally it's pretty good. It'll warm up this whole place if I had it on and stuff, but kind of ran out of gas, so that's why it's hanging up there. That's during the winter time. But yeah, I just have stuff in the corners, just out of the way. Big box here because I was working on my son's car. This was actually a hood that I replaced. Did some work, got into an accident, so just fixed it up. I'll show you that in a little bit. But so yep, just have stuff in the corner. And like I said, just out of the way, all the necessity stuff, like over here in this corner right here, the toolbox. And still have stuff on the ground too, waiting to be worked on. So, but it's on standby. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just move stuff around, work on what we can when we can. So, these are my other engines and exit. Usually open these up like during the summertime, because then it gets kind of hot, and then I don't have any AC in here, obviously, right? So do what I can, sweat. But yep, this is where this thing sits too for now. Still there, kind of waiting on some parts right now. Been kind of slow, I know. But been doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of everything slowly as I get stuff. So it's hard to like concentrate on one thing when we need to do this in order to do that. So while that's waiting, I'm doing something else. So as you can see, the rear end is all in pieces. So waiting on some bearings. I can replace the bearings on that before I put that one back in there. And so that's where it's sitting right now. But yep, it's just a small shop with big dreams, and it's make it happen. So stand by. So I think while I'm waiting for some parts, underneath here is the stock Datsun truck. I'm trying to hold it. There it is. The Datsun truck, motor, and tranny. But obviously I'm not going to use it, so I was thinking of doing a little project with that motor. not so the tranny, just the motor. Kind of want to make I don't want to open it up right now because then it's hard to cover by myself. But I want to make like a a table with that motor. I want to kind of keep it. I like the nostalgic of it, and instead of throwing it away, might as well make use of it. Small table in the house or the garage or somewhere. Well, can I go in the garage because it cannot fit, but somewhere in the house or the other garage. So, but yeah, that's I'm probably gonna do that project while, like I said, I'm waiting for some parts for the other one. But for now, so that might. So this is my son's car that got into an accident. It's mostly right here in the front. I'll probably post a picture up so you can take a look at the before. As you can see, kind of kept the bumper. Yeah, missing some parts, but overall the bumper wasn't too bad. I didn't paint it, just left it. Yeah, he's not too concerned about that piece. As long as it looked decent and I can drive it again. But change the fender and the hood, and of course the lighting here, and fix that side here. I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably put some pictures up, but it's decent. Like I said, he didn't really care. The hood came in and it's all bent up right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Yeah, right there. But he said he didn't really care. He just wanted it decent and up and running. So didn't work on that part. Just paint it to kind of look the same. So it's nice little daily, So I don't know if you can see, but there is a difference in paint color. But when you're going like 60 or 70, you ain't gonna see that. But yeah, that's it. So in the next video, I'll probably be posting about the suspension, probably the rear end. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.